If you're experiencing issues with dark mode not being available in Threads, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check app updates. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Threads app installed. Go to your device's app store, search for Threads, and update if necessary. Step 2. Verify device settings. Check your device's display settings to see if dark mode is enabled at the system level. If your device is set to dark mode, the app should ideally reflect this setting. Step 3. Restart the app. Close the Threads app completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the app and may resolve any temporary glitches affecting dark mode. Step 4. Clear app cache. On your device, go to the settings menu, find the Threads app, and clear its cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the dark mode issue. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the problem persists, uninstall the Threads app and then reinstall it from your app store. This can help reset the app and restore its default settings, including dark mode. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Threads support for further assistance.